Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss type conversions. Okay, here type conversions means what is type conversions? Here we have so many data types like integer, float, string as well as boolean. Okay, see first what is the how to print that type. Okay, how to print the type. For an example, suppose here I'm taking one word. Okay, here I'm taking one word Python. Okay, here always I'm taking Python. When we are explaining with single word, it will understand very easily. That's why I'm taking always one word first for explanation purpose. And then after we will take as our requirement. Okay, see what is the type? This is the string type I told you. But in system, how it will see type, keep type word. Okay, now it will print like str class str. Okay, see likewise it will print. This is the type. This is the string type. Okay, this is the string type. Likewise, okay, this is the string type. Suppose here I am taking one number. Here I am taking one number. Number is equal to 67. Now, how it will type? This is which type? Okay, see number. This is the string type. Sorry, this is the integer type. Okay, this is the integer type. Suppose here I am keeping 8. Again, here I am keeping 8. Now see, this is the float type. Okay, float type. See, just here I am taking a is equal. Okay, a is a variable. Okay, let's take a is a variable. First see number 456. Okay, this is a number and see print type. Okay, print type a. Okay, print type a. Okay, in variable I will change values continuously based on the data type. Okay, type you will see first this is integer. Okay, first this is integer. Next here I am keeping zero point 0.9. Okay, if decimal point is there means it will become float value. Okay, before this just I am keeping str. Okay, now now that integer I converted into string type. Now this is string type. Okay, now this is string type. See here I am giving 7. Okay, 7 greater than 8. Okay, this is the boolean value. Why? Because the given condition is a true or false. Okay, either true or false, it's a boolean value. Okay, actually this is a false. Okay, but it will give boolean value. Okay, this is the this is the data types how to find in the uh, console bar. Okay, how to find in the console. See here, a is equal 7 is greater than 8 is a boolean value. Likewise the integer, string data, which data type we have to find like this. Okay, suppose here we need to convert one data type to another data type. Okay, previous I told you, suppose 78 is a integer, 78 is a integer. Suppose I want to convert this into string. Okay, I want to convert this into string. Before this you keep str like this. Okay, before this string you keep like this, str parenthesis 78, str parenthesis 78, it will become as a string value. Okay, it will become as a string value, it will become string value. Now before this I'll keep float. Okay, before this I'll keep float. At that time it's a float value. Okay, the output will be between 78.0. The output will be between 78.0. Suppose before this I will keep bull. Okay, boolean. See, now this is the boolean value. Okay, now this is the boolean value. Likewise we will converting into one data type to another data type. Okay, this is the basic. Why? Because based on the programming, based on the problem, we have to convert one data type to another data type. Why? Because when we are doing string slicing, the string slicing is only applicable for string values, not for integer, not for float. Okay, that's why Suppose if any numbers are there, if you want to find number, digits are there, okay, in a number we need to print the digits. At that time the integer value is converting into string value. Okay, this type of problems we have to use these data types. This That's it for today, guys. Maybe you will understand very easily once we see it. Okay, once we see here, already we told you what is integer boolean. Okay, this all. Now see, uh, take type conversions. See here, type conversion, convert the value of data type to another data type is called type conversion. Okay, one data type to another data type is called type conversion or typecasting. Okay, string to integer, integer to float, float to string, and so on. Okay, string to integer means already I told you, right? Okay, suppose here he given double quotes, double quotes in between the double quotes anything is there, that's always a string. Okay, double quotes in between anything is there, that's always a string. um Next, invalid conversion means invalid conversions are there. Those means, see, the error will come. Okay, suppose here I print 5, 5 is a, here 5 is a string value, here 5 is a string, here this string he converted into integer. How it's possible? Okay, the string is converting into int, it's not possible. We will see one program practically. Here what is say, what is asking, suppose here a is there. Okay, here a is there, 5 okay, a is there. This I want to converting into int, basically into, if number is there means it will convert, but words, how it will become, it's invalid, right? Okay, see, error will come. Okay, error will come. Why? Because 5 is a string, 5 is a string, that is the capital letters. Okay, the integer means it's always in a number. Okay, integer is converting into string is possible, but string is converting into integer is not possible. String means here the combination of characters like alphabets. Okay, alphabets, symbols, like I'm thinking. Okay, this is the type conversion, friends. I hope you understand. If you have anything, please ping in the comment. Okay, that's it for today, guys.